back to my channel. It's Shannon Ashley here. So today's video is completely different. We are talking about one of my favorite apps on my phone, which is Mercari. This isn't sponsored by Mercari, I wish it was, or like by Poshmark. I am like a true user of Mercari and Poshmark. No ad, no sponsorship. I've used both apps to make money. And I just wanted to come on here and share with you guys what I sold this past month. By no means is like a lot of money, but I just want to come on here and share with you guys a way to easily make money without doing much, and to kind of, you know, clear out your closet and get rid of stuff that you're not really using. So I hope this video resonates with someone, but without further ado, well, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe if you want to follow me on my journey. But without further ado, let's just get right into this video. Alright guys, if you see me looking down, my laptop is right here, and I wrote a blog post about this on my blog, heyshannonashley.com, so make sure you guys check it out if you guys want to like see word for word what I sold. But okay, let's get right into it. This month my sales were a little over $130, so that was my revenue. My profit was $85. So yes, there is a bit of a gap when it comes to selling online, and this is because you have to account for shipping and selling fees. So shipping fees, depending on what you sell, could be anywhere between $4 to $12 to $25. And then your selling fee is always 10% of what you price your item at. So most of my items sold anywhere between like the 10 to 25 range, and my shipping this month didn't go over $5.25 per item. So that kind of gives you guys an idea of why there was such a difference between my revenue and my profit. But overall, I'm $85 richer than the beginning of this month, so I'm not too upset about it. So what sold? A couple of things that stuck out to me that sold were planners this month. People are really getting ready to go into the fall and school and just wanting to finish up the year planning really strong. So planners are like super hot for me. When I say super hot, I sold two. But it's just something to think about, especially in the month of September. People are going to be wanting to buy planners. So if you are on like the resale tip, just be on the lookout for planners. Something else that sold a lot for me, so if you guys didn't see my massive eyeshadow collection video, that kind of like resonated and stuck with me. I realized I have way too much eyeshadows, and someone else, like, there's no way I could even use up all that eyeshadow in a year, maybe let alone a lifetime. So I was like, someone else is really gonna enjoy this more than me. So I was like, you know what, Shannon, let's just get rid of some of them. And I wanted to give some away, but not a lot of people hit me up saying they wanted an eyeshadow palette. So I was like, let's sell them. I sold them for like cheap, guys. I sold 3 Bad Habit eyeshadow palettes for $12 with free shipping. So basically I made like $5 off those. I sold my Clara Cosmetics palette. I did a review on that. I wasn't in love with it. I was like, this is not that pigmented, even though I might have put like super pigmented in the description. But for me, my dark skin, it wasn't pigmented. Maybe it's pigmented on someone else's. Anyways, I sold that for $10. So I only made about $5 or $4 on there. And then, did I sell any more? So far I haven't sold any more eyeshadow palettes, but yeah, so got rid of some of those. I got rid of a few pair of jeans. Jeans resell really well, especially Levi's resell really well too. But another thing I realized about this month is bundling does wonders for when you're selling online. Just have to remember that people really want like a deal, and bundles oftentimes mean like a good deal. Like when you go to Costco, you get a lot of things bundled, so to say, at a lower price, so people really enjoy that. So if you find yourself online like stumped with your selling, just try to bundle a couple things that, like, I bundled up a couple pair of jeans, I bundled up eyeshadow palettes, so that really helped with just getting stuff out and getting rid of some things, and also just provided more value for other people. You always want to provide value when you're selling to people. So I hope this video helped and gave you guys a teensy bit of motivation to start selling some items yourself. I actually have a couple videos about how I sell, and I have an ebook on my website as well too. The ebook does cost, I think it's about $5 or $8. I have to see if it's on sale or not right now. But if you guys want to learn exactly how I resell my stuff from Mercari, I would definitely check out that ebook, and just my other content on reselling. I really enjoy it. It's a really easy way to make money, and it's just selling stuff you already have. I love it because, like, let's say I have like my phone bill coming up and I'm like, money is tight. That $85 can pay for like my phone bill, Or like, let's say I want to go out of town, like that could be $85 to splurge. If I want a new eyeshadow palette, I'm not gonna buy any more eyeshadow palettes, but you guys get me. Like, I really recommend you guys starting to sell your stuff online. I think Mercari and Poshmark are like the new thrift stores essentially. So just get into the habit of selling now. It's not trendy, it's not popular, but it can make you money. So I hope this video helps someone out there, and I will see you guys in the next one. Let me know if you guys want more videos like this, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.